Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for NASDAQ price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, and this is the intraday to see of course what's gonna happen in NASDAQ and what happened also today. So as you can see, we saw some red and then some recover. We still kind of like in a corrective wave here, and after of course this massive drop. So yeah, we're gonna analyze exactly what's going on here. But the problem is today, of course, that we had this volatility of the new tariffs, right, by Trump, and of course that we have a threat in the Middle East of war, right? So between Israel and of course the US might enter and so on. So it's spreading a lot of fear in the market and the economy, and yeah, that might trigger even a recession. So hopefully not. However, let's focus on the chart. We have, of course, WXNY potentially reversed by another structure as well as WXNY, as you can see. And here we were trying, to count this as an impulse, as a wave 1 or A, let's say, and then you got a wave B here. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, but your wave 3 is shorter than the wave 1, shorter than the wave 3, therefore invalidation. And in case you are in 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and you're looking for a wave 4, obviously the wave 4 interfered with the zone 1, therefore invalidation as well. Meaning right now we are looking at both are corrective waves, meaning 3 waves down, 3 waves up, continuation towards the downside impulsively, or another structure. What does this mean? It's a bigger, of course, correction wave. It can end up here as an impulse, or it can end up as well as 3 corrective waves as a big WX and a Y. In case it ends up, of course, in an impulse, therefore an A, B, and a C towards the downside, of course, hitting the blue zone, the 1-to-1 level 17K. And yeah, so let's move inside it where we start the impulse of this wave 1 potentially, which it can play, of course, a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to start this big impulse toward the downside. Basically, we need to move in the 15-minute chart to see what's going on. Wow, okay, a lot of volatility today. We have definitely now 1, 2, 3, and this is your wave 4. A, B, and a C given already, and then now we're looking to another wave. Okay, another corrective wave, meaning you finished definitely A, B, C for again W, X, and potentially wave Y. This can be finished, of course, definitely. You don't have a 1, 2, 3 for your wave 4 invalidated, so that definitely it is an ABC finished, and you're looking for one more move towards the upside. It can be an impulse, yeah, because you got already 3 waves up, 3 waves down. You're looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, or you're looking for another structure, 3-wave structure. It can be, of course, a triangle, it can be a flat, or a zigzag. Don't forget the Y, it can be different patterns, yeah. If we move toward the upside, it can be, of course, that your wave Y is an ABC again, so A, and then B, and a C toward the upside. And this is going to transform, of course, let's mark this, by the way, A, B, and a C. Here we go. Okay, let's put it small. Basically, so the A should be here, and the B, of course, should be here. Yeah, so we're gonna obviously you could count this like ABC finished and you're moving toward the downside, but this was not given, right? So that's therefore we have transformed this to an A and another B, and therefore we're looking for a wave C. Potentially as well, don't forget that the wave B even can move for lower. Now this target is given for a wave 5. But it's not a wave 5 anymore. It's gonna be an expanding flat again for a bigger wave 4. Meaning an A and then B and a big wave C towards the upside can be, of course, given as a correction still, and then moving toward the downside again. Those are the possibilities, guys. Now, if we have finished a fast wave B here, you are looking, of course, for an impulse potentially toward the upside for a wave C. Your target for such a wave here as an A, B, and a C, you're looking at potential, yep, regular flat, let's say the 1-to-1 fib level, 20K, 20K, exactly 20K. So it's gonna take basically the high potentially a little bit higher and then moving toward the downside. We're gonna see how this is gonna unfold. If this is gonna transform to a finished, I mean, I wish that I can finish it here as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but your wave 3 is, sorry, your wave 5 is longer than your wave 3, as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ending diagonal. Wave 5 is shorter than the wave 3, therefore, otherwise I could simply put the wave 5 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. But this did not happen, and here you don't have an impulse, 1, 2, 3, finished, and then, well, what do we count this? It's not, it's not looking good. So basically, let's say this is gonna get invalidated, and let's say this is an ABC. What would be the scenario then? If we get an ABC after 3 waves up, 3 waves down, yeah, that's too much, right? Then moving toward the upside again. Yep, so we're gonna have to take it step by step, guys. It's a very choppy wave. We are in uncertainty, I would say. It's risky, of course. Higher potential, of course, is, I cannot say even that it can be even more bearish because we finished 3 waves down and you didn't took the low yet. This is a problem. But the idea is that you don't have any impulse toward the upside. You don't see any 1-2 here. This whole correction is ending up, of course, to be corrective and not impulsive. And that tells you that you're not ready really to move toward the upside. Meaning whatever is going to happen in this area here is going to lead again toward the downside. We're not done yet with the correction. You need to finish it. And basically, we are going to take a look first at this 20K. If taken here as a correction, finished correction, and move toward the downside, then okay, we are in the right path. If not, then we have to, of course, start to think about something else, meaning 3 waves up, 3 waves down, and then continuation for a wave C for higher, meaning A, B, and a C. But how much this possible is, I doubt it, guys. It can be potentially as well 3 waves down, 3 waves up, correction again for a bigger wave B here, meaning A, B, and a C. So a lot of possibilities. This is a problem. It's a wave B at the end. It's a wave B. Don't forget the wave B is the most complicated wave in your Elliott wave patterns. If you have 3 waves down, 3 waves up, this is your wave B, and it probably is not finished yet. This is the potential of it. Another possibility is wave Y can be extended, because this looks like just one leg, potentially that you have W, X, and a wave Y still need to be a zigzag, to finish this finally as a WXY. So you see how many probability we have, So potentially we have to be careful here. It's a wave B. It's the most complicated and the most tricky and riskiest wave that you can trade. Now, another possibility what it might happen here as well, it can be, of course, a W. It can be an X in triangle, and it can be, of course, a wave Y in zigzag or in a flat, or just a zigzag or a flat. In case you get triangle in X, it's impossible to get triangle in the Y. Therefore, a lot of possibility. What I do in this scenario, in this case, I just wait. I just wait to make the right decision after getting final price decision, of course. Yep, so that was it for NASDAQ. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.